Okay, I gotta do the same thing with all the parts that are over here now. Clean everything all up. So here's our cam cover. So we got our nice dirty towels here. Wipe off the heavy stuff, throw it away. Moving on the next dirty one. Get down inside the hole here. Nice and dirty, huh? Throw that one away. Next dirty one. There's an oil hole in there, and you know it's going to be grit in there. So we have to clean this better than this, but this is just getting the heavy stuff off. Get everything off you can see. Okay, that looks pretty clean. It's getting nice and shiny now, so that's a good sign. Throw that one in the trash. Got another one here now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is try to blow this out. So we've got a rubber tip right here. Use that to blow with. And you'll make sure you don't blow it back in your motor over here. So I'm going to blow this other direction, this direction over here. So this oil here comes out this hole over here. So if you go like that, it comes out down there. You look at all your stuff, see if there's any grit down in there. I'm not seeing any grit in there. Dump it into here, I don't see anything there either, but oh well. Pour some more in there. Give it a good blow job. Take a clean piece. Lube it up, stick it in the hole. A little bit of something came up. Okay, I think I got that clean enough now. Now I'm going to go ahead and run this thing through the solvent, clean it a couple more times, blow it off a few more times, keep going back and forth, and we'll get all that junk. I don't feel anything on my finger, it's clean. So I'm pretty happy. We got 99.99% out of there, I hope. I think we got most of it out. We'll clean it some more just to make sure. Now this thing over here, nasty. This is covered in goo. So the only way to do that is to put it on down like that and run a bunch of brake clean on it. You get some of it off, but not much. And you gotta blow it off. Get some more of it off, but still not a lot. Stuff does not come off very easily. You start wiping it off. You're going to burn through a can or two of brake clean doing this, but remember, whatever it touches gets contaminated, so you want to be using anything else to clean with. See, that's pretty nasty. Throw that away. All the way up the trash should be nice. Okay, here's our clean piece that's left, so we see this is pretty clean. I'm going to blow it and do it again. See, we're getting more off. Keep doing that and get it all off. Basically, I go down every tooth and clean. Get like a toothbrush out, wouldn't hurt, and start cleaning with that. Just remember, you got to throw it away after you use it. Well, unless you want lapping compound in your teeth, I guess it wouldn't hurt you as much. Just don't get near your motor. Okay, so we got most of it off. That's cleaning the teeth. This is just blowing it off. You can still see grit down inside the teeth in there. It looks like it's in there. Okay, we'll flip this over to the clean spot. Try it again. Blow on it this time. Still looks like it's in there to me. Pretty clean. That's how much came off the gear teeth that I blew down off the face. Okay, I'm going to try brushing out now, the solvent brush. Okay, now I got the cam to do. So it's got the same amount of junk inside its teeth also. Alright, well, you get the idea. So I'm going to keep doing this a few more times like I did pinion gear. Make sure you throw your crap away when you're done with it. Okay, we'll be back. I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done.